Have you been trying to manifest and you just can't? You've tried and tried and tried, but you can't. Well, today I'm going to show you a technique that is going to show you results. It's called the 5-5-5 technique. So if you want to learn more about how to manifest exactly what you want, I got you. Stay tuned right now. Watch to the end of the video because I'm literally going to be spilling the beans on how to manifest. What's up everyone, Renee here with Awaken Creators. So today, like I said, we're going to be talking about the 55 affirmations 5 today. This is very powerful. I personally have success with it. So for me, for example, my affirmation was, I am a money magnet because I want to manifest, of course, just like everyone, financial abundance. So I took a pen and paper, wrote down 55 times 5. I am a money magnet here, and on the back here, obviously you can see 55 times. And please don't write it more or don't write it less, because there is a sequence in the numbers that the universe will understand. Because 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, and 1 plus 5 equals 6. 3, 6, 9 are the numbers to unlocking the keys of the universe. And this is a quote by Nikola Tesla. So you begin with writing an affirmation down 55 times on your paper. And while you're doing this, try to focus on what you are writing, not what's going on around you or what's going on in your head. Try to focus on the feeling of already fulfilling that which fulfilled of I am a money magnet. Just feel happy that you know this is coming true, because the more you write it, the more you're going to believe it. I promise you. So do this 55 times, and after the 5th day, just watch how your mind and your universe will correspond and correlate to you and how you feel. You may even get something before, because I'll tell you my little personal success story with this. So this morning I decided to post my resume on a website that is for everyone to see locally in my area. And right after that, I submitted it, posted it. So I went outside to enjoy the sunshine. Then I proceeded to write my affirmations. So I wrote down 55 times, I am a money magnet. Literally 5 minutes later, when I went back inside, I got a phone call from a business owner, local business owner, who saw my resume, who just posted it, saw my resume, and wants to interview me tomorrow to see how we can possibly grow his business. This is incredible, because I feel like this wouldn't even have happened had I not just done this 55 affirmations. So this is literally powerful. And here I am writing my affirmations 55 times. I am a money magnet. Really feeling the wish fulfilled, really feeling like I truly am a money magnet. And then not even 5 minutes later, when I'm done, the first day, I get a phone call from a local business owner who wants to interview me to help grow his business. So this is very powerful. And you can see results in as little as 1 day. I'm telling you this. You can see results in as little as an hour right after doing this. And I just proved it. So this does work. Try this and see the remarkable power of the universe before your eyes. So again, this is Renee with Awaken Creators. If you guys enjoy my videos, enjoy this video, please smash that like and subscribe button to help grow the family here. If you guys like what I'm recording on, I'm gonna have a link below. Also, I'm gonna have some links below to some very powerful books and some very powerful material that I done research on myself. So whatever's in the link in the description, I promise you something that I have done research and I approve. Renee approves. So again, this is Renee with Awaken Creators. You guys have a great day, okay? Just wanna make your life easier, guys. Thank you.